Every road leaves a page behind. Today, we turn another one. For a moment, we wait at the curb while the afternoon carries on around us, unhurried and familiar. Then we ease into the street, leaving the storefronts behind as sunlight stretches across the road and the journey quietly begins. At the first broad intersection, palms lean into the open sky while people cross at their own pace and traffic flows through the afternoon. A quieter street follows, where modest homes, small front yards, and long shadows give the drive a more intimate rhythm. We pause at a neighborhood stop sign and let the cross traffic pass, sharing one of those ordinary moments that make a place feel real. As we continue, homes and small businesses blend together naturally, each block offering another glimpse of daily life beneath the California sun. Another red light slows the journey again. Pedestrians move through the crosswalk, and for a while the city becomes something to simply sit with. When the road opens once more, we enter a leafy corridor of apartments and older homes, softened by shade and the steady pace of local traffic. Nothing here feels staged for visitors. It is a working neighborhood, shaped by parked cars, open doorways, crossings, and people going about their day. Under the old roadside trees, the drive settles into a gentle rhythm, reminding us that travel is often found in the spaces between landmarks. We pass another marked crossing and a line of orange cones before the street gradually carries us toward one final intersection. The wheels come to rest, but another small page of the journey has already been written. Some journeys end on the map, but stay with us on the page. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road.